So what we're doing today is we're creating birds, carnival birds, for a procession that's going to be in October. And our birds symbolise the journey that people are making from their countries to this country, where they can't stay at their country anymore, and we want to make them welcome here. So we're creating this to have a welcoming parade for them all. So everybody's choosing their sticks and their birds, and they're going to make them and then decorate them with lots of sequins and feathers. It will be very lovely. So what you need is you need some garden sticks or bamboo, depending on how long you want it to be. And you need some foam, different types of material, net, spotty dotty or florist ribbon. And the first thing you do is you draw around your template on the foam and then cut that out. And you need one bird and you need 2 wings. So choose whatever colour. We've done our colour scheme all green and blue, and that's to represent the world. So once you've cut that out, you want to decorate your stick. So get yourself some ribbons and twist those down your stick. So like I said, it's either a green stick or a bamboo cane. So we've got green sticks here, and you just put them at a slight angle at the top and then twist it all the way down the stick and tape it at the bottom like this. Then, to make it look all really nice and have lots of dangly bits, choose some nice bits of fabric. So we've got spotty dotty here, we've got some gold foil, and we're going to stick that at the top of our stick. So this is one that Callum's done. You can see he's cut out his bird and his wings, and he's got a nice long bamboo cane here. So our final bit is we've stuck a piece of net on, and we're going to tie it to the top of the stick. So it's nice and dangly, and our birds can fly around in the procession. Or, like this one made earlier by Daniel, you can stick it onto the stick if you've got hot glue or copy decks, and you can sandwich it together. So that's your choice. And then come and join us.